ATE6 on your side, Storm Team.
I want to take a live look in Cumberland County and Crossville atop City Hall looking to the south. Still a little breezy right now, and that's key because I thought maybe we could start to see a little bit of fog across portions of the plateau at this hour, but with that wind staying up, it may take a little bit more time. Showers from earlier today are well to the south. This weak front will slide into the area but kind of fall apart as it gets closer. We're sitting at 60 for Knoxville right now, Wartburg, Kingston, also into Crossville. 64 currently in Jamestown, 63 Newport, and into Gatlinburg. But I do think temperatures will drop a couple of more degrees from where we are, so not much. Upper 50s to low 60s, a pretty good bet for most areas, so maybe a light jacket first thing in the morning, but you won't need it by the afternoon. Mentioned this earlier, with the rain we had today, the wind starts to relax in some areas, and with a few breaks in the clouds, there will be some patchy fog that forms, and where it does could be locally dense, so keep that in mind for the Thursday morning commute when you head out the door. Otherwise, through the afternoon's looking great. Mix of sunshine, a few clouds, and low to mid 80s. We're running about 10 to almost 15 degrees above average for this time of year. Then let's turn our attention to this time tomorrow night, okay? Notice a level 3 out of 5 risk across the boot heel of Missouri and northwest Tennessee. We're at that level 1 out of 3 here, especially from Knoxville westward. And the timing we're kind of looking at now, between about 12 and 2 on the plateau, 1 to 3 in the valley, and 2 to 4 as those storms weaken and push over to northeast Tennessee and into the Smokies. So let's talk about it. Again, pretty quiet tomorrow afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. Looks great for outdoor plans. Right through 7 as well. So after school activities for the kids, I see no issues there at all. Let's bring it into about this time tomorrow night, okay? A few isolated showers are starting to develop, and it would be most likely along a line of storms that would be sliding through. A couple of those cells could have some gusty winds. This is 3 a.m., and then by the time we get to 7, it's basically out of here across the area. So anytime we have these type of events overnight, just make sure you have multiple ways that you can get alerts in case they are issued, all right? Download our free weather app. That's a great way to do it, but just make sure your phone is not on silent, right? Make sure it is not turned on Do Not Disturb. NOAA weather radios are great as well. They have battery backups in case your power goes out. Just have multiple ways to get these alerts. So decent opportunities of rain tomorrow night into Friday. Very slim chance Saturday. Right now it looks like the better opportunities probably a little further south near Chattanooga. But then Sunday, scattered showers kind of move back into the area, especially Knoxville eastward. And it's cool, 61 with many probably not getting out of the 50s. So kind of a cool, raw day. But here's the good thing. When we cool down this time of year like that, it doesn't last long. We're right back in the low to mid 70s by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and should see several dry days in a row as we start out the new work week as well. All right.